is me, Scape. We are now heading to Sensory Scape at Sentosa for Sentosa Kpop Showdown 2026 Finals. Fighting! Happy Hari to everyone celebrating! Let's go, great! Charges for this year. We have Mina, Myoung.
Storytelling is, can you explain? Attention is what I want. Hey, hey, come on. Attention is what I want. Hey, hey, let's go.
Let's go, Melo!
I'm a famous choreographer and dancer in Korea. So nice to meet you guys. 인상 깊게 봤습니다 오늘. 일로 와. I cannot speak English very well, but yeah, I need my beautiful translator, Didi. Yeah.
Let's go!
Kpop 이 컴페티션 저지를 되게 많이 했었는데 되게 몇 년 만에 또 오늘 온 거거든요. 근데 굉장히 수준이 많이 올라가는 걸 오늘 볼 수 있어가지고 너무 기분이 좋습니다.
So she's been a judge for K-pop competitions many times, but it has been a while for her, and she's very happy to see that the standard for this competition has risen.
Killer, give it up, make some noise, I'm a killer third place! Okay, dancers, we got Ahlee. Girls with
Yeah, they're here.
Right now it's the second place, you know the drill, I do need the drum rolls and the key. To the second place, let's welcome Heroine! Malaysia! 3, 2, the champion of this year,
But which one?
Indonesia Elite! Let's welcome Elite! Taking the W from Bali, Indonesia, the dancers who made it raining Sentosa Sensory Scape.
Hey, shit. Let's go, RPD! Hey. Nice.
brother Shaky, can you help record? Okay, let's go, Izati. Izati Said, let's go. Yeah, she got the superpower, let's go.
Look at your face!
Are you still recording by the way?
All of you. Managed to take a photo with Mina Myoung from Supa 2 after a hot weekend of K-dance in Singapore, and congrats to Elites for the champion of this year fighting. Is that it?